What's going on, everybody? I am in beautiful Santa Barbara, California with Rob Spohr here. He's one of the instructors with Eagle Paragliding. He's basically gonna teach me all the basics of paragliding and then get me up in the air by myself.
Yeah, so this is pretty much the best place to do this and train in the United States.
Santa Barbara?
Santa Barbara, for sure, yeah. And looking out at the ocean and looking south, most people are kind of like, well, wait a minute, the sun sets in the west, there's the ocean, we're in California. The sun actually sets over here instead of going back over the back of the mountain. So it's cooking those mountains, and it's kind of cooking this all day long. That's kind of what makes it so nice here. This is what you're gonna be flying around in up there. Flip side.
This kind of looks like a baby chair.
Yeah, it's pretty comfortable. You know, hang gliders, when they fly, they're kind of in more of a prone position. In this thing, you're kind of in the lazy boy, lean back, it's a lot more comfortable. But the big difference to me, and I think why it's growing more, is it's far more practical for people. Put it in the trunk of your car or check it on an airplane, lay it out on the side of the hill and you're airborne in 3 minutes. Bigger than you thought?
Yeah, a lot bigger.
This is the riser here. This is gonna be what you use to control the wing. And you're also gonna have this brake toggle, this steering control in your hand. So what we do is we check these lines. We just wanna make sure they're not tangled up. As the glider comes up, my arms are gonna come up with it, but I don't need to muscle anything here. I explode. As I'm running forward, I'm gonna try to get a feel for which way this glider's pulling me, and whatever way it pulls me, I'm gonna move with it. You're gonna take off running at me, I'm the connection to the empire here. You're gonna be looking right at me, running at me. Keep running, you got it. Keep running over here, let go, feel for a little break.
2, 1.
Good, keep running, good. Let go, feel for a little pressure, a little more pressure. Perfect, bro. Nice, feel the pressure,
Yeah,
more, hands down. You got it, you're ready to go flying, bro. So yeah, Johnny just did 2 simulations. This is the typical one-day lesson we do out here. He's ready to start doing some flying.
Definitely a little adrenaline going. I'm a little surprised how easy it is, but heart's definitely racing.
Good, keep running over here, keep running. Keep running, Johnny, a little more pressure, good. Keep running, hands up. Good, relax and fly straight. This is the easy part, brother.
Unfortunately, you're not really noticing too much of your surroundings because you're like, oh my God, I'm flying. Oh my God, I'm flying. What do I do? But interestingly, when you get up that high and everything starts to make sense, things just kind of felt more natural up there, and I was able to really just mellow out. And then that's when you can kind of look around and see how high up you are and how beautiful everything is around you, and it's really cool.
My landing sucks.
I'm wearing a very sexy helmet cam.
The unicorn.
Zoolander looks so sweet with the helmet cam.
Keep moving to me, right hand only, Johnny. Right hand only, pull it right hand only. Good. Turn around now.
Up in the air, there's definitely a lot going on. I guess it's kind of like when you're flying in a commercial plane and you get turbulence, all of a sudden, wham, the plane gets jolted around. Now you're in a little tiny seat exposed to all the elements outside, so when that big pocket of air pressure hits your chute, you're feeling it, man.